Today we are going to see about customs duty, some basic aspects about customs duty. What is customs duty, why it is levied, and some related informations related to customs duty. We are going to see the meaning also. So we'll see the information available under this particular PPT. Customs duty. What is customs duty? We'll see now. Customs duty as a kind of indirect tax which is realized on goods of international trade. So some key aspects we'll see. Customs duty is what? It is a indirect tax. So it is not a direct tax, indirect tax. That means tax is included in the cost of the product. Indirect tax which is realized, which is levied on what? On goods of international trade. So within the country, if you are doing any trade or related things, any sales, then customs duty will not be levied on that particular thing. So it will be realized on what? Goods of international trade. So the sentence continues. It is categorized into import duty and export duty. That means customs duty is categorized into two types of duties: export duty and import duty. That means export duty is levied on export of products, whereas import duty is levied on import of the product. Export means we are selling goods to other countries. Import means we are purchasing goods from other countries. So ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆವಿಡ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್? import of goods, whereas export on export of goods. So on import or export of the goods, customs duty will be levied. Yes, we'll see now one meaning or definition will consider. Customs duty is a kind of indirect tax. Again, same thing what we studied in the previous slide, which is levied on goods of international trade, levied in relation to imported goods, are referred to import duty. Duties levied on export of goods is called as export duty. So it is an indirect tax, we have seen in previous slide. Now levied on goods of international trade. Now if it is levied on imported goods, then it is import duty. Levied on export goods, then it is called as export duty. So these are the basic things what we should know. Now some other issues related to customs duty. So the levy and rate of customs duty in India are governed by Customs Act of 1972. There are two acts, Customs Act and Customs Tariff Act. Customs Tariff Act will tell us the rates of customs duty, and Customs Act will tell us the coverage of customs duty. So these two acts you have to remember: Customs Act of 1962 and Customs Tariff Act of 1975. So these are the informations, basic informations we should know related to customs duty. Now so four concepts will be considered: how customs duty is levied and why it is levied, and what are the concepts for which it is levied. That is what we'll see. Four concepts are there. One is regulate, control, develop, promote. 4 points will come. Yes, we'll see one by one. This regulate and control are almost same meaning. Yeah, so we'll see what the purpose is almost the same. Regulate means you will put various regulations, rules, so that because of this, as per these rules, these rules are supposed to be governed, and as per these rules your products are controlled. Yeah, or there is a one limit will be put. So as a result of these things, by as they are putting various regulations, rules on this particular product, what happens is there is a control over the product, and that is what is to be considered here. Next one, control. Control in the sense, see, especially in case of import of the goods, this particular concept is applicable. So it is related to import of the goods. See, when it comes to import of the goods, if there is no rules, regulations, nothing, then a lot of people will import the products, and the domestic companies will be affected a lot. People, everyone is going to purchase the foreign items, foreign products. So as because of that, domestic companies will suffer a lot. So to control these particular things, customs duty will be levied. Next one, to develop. Now develop whom? Especially the domestic industry. So domestic companies, whatever are domestic companies are available in India, so those domestic countries are to be protected by the government, and that work is done by levying the customs duty. Customs duty, when customs duty is levied, what happens is, as per those customs duties, tax will be levied on the product. When customs duty is levied, automatically product will become costlier. When product will become costlier, people will not purchase the product. Yes, so as a result of that, local products are encouraged. Next one is promote. Promote whom? Promote Indian companies. So Indian companies are supposed to be promoted, so that's why customs duty will be levied on import of the products. As a result of that, Indian products will become cheaper compared to foreign products. So these are the things what we should know. So quickly we'll see it again. Now customs duty will be levied on two types of products: imported products and exported products. Imported products on import of the goods, whereas export tax or export duty is levied on export of the products. Import tax on imported products, export tax on exported products. Next, other than that, so you want these are the four purposes: to put rules and regulations, to control the market by levying taxes, to see that Indian companies are developed more, the tax will be levied on foreign products, and they want to promote Indian companies, so that also they will put the tax. So these are the concepts which you should know as a introduction things for customs duty. One thing is clear: customs duty is a tax which is levied on international sales, maybe purchase or sales. Purchase means it will be considered as import duty will be levied. Sale means it is considered as export duty will be levied. For all these things, notes will be given to you. Thank you.